Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will talking about how do we use Dynatrace to capture APM metrics and business KPIs. Dynatrace provides a few different ways to capture APM metrics and business KPIs. One way is to use the Dynatrace recorder, which is a tool that can be used to record user session and reply them later. This is useful for capturing things like page load times and response time. Another way to capture this information is through the use of synthetic transactions, which are simulated user actions that can be used to measure things like application performance and availability. For many traditional web application, user action duration is considered the best metric available for web performance optimization, as this metric focuses on the amount of time from user input to complete page load. But single page application called SPAs based on Angular, Ember, React and other JavaScript frameworks and don't depend on the loading of a new page followed by each click. So the race to be fast above the fold can lead to high overall user action duration times. As a result, other metrics such as visually complete or speed index can more accurately focus on the actual things that reflect when the end user can take the next action. From the end user perspective, web application can be usable after certain elements such as data picker and autocomplete from a search field are ready to use. So that's all from this video. Thank you guys.